Ditch the digital clutter and supercharge your productivity by moving your Trello boards to the powerhouse that is Clickup. Today, I'll show you exactly how to seamlessly migrate your Trello data into Clickup, unlocking its advanced features and taking your project management to the next level in just a few easy steps. First, inside Clickup, navigate to your settings menu, usually found by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Then, find and select the Import, Export option. This is where the magic begins. On the Import, Export page, locate the Import Data section. You'll see a list of available platforms to import from. Click on the Trello option. Clickup will then prompt you to authorize the connection to your Trello account. Follow the on-screen instructions to log into Trello and grant Clickup the necessary permissions to access your boards. Once authorized, you'll be presented with import options here. You can select which Trello boards you want to import. Choose carefully. You can also choose the specific Clickup space where you want these boards to land. After selecting your boards and destination space, click the Start Import button. Now, sit back and relax as Clickup works its magic, transferring all your lists, cards, and members. Once the import is complete, you'll find your Trello boards neatly organized within your chosen Clickup space. Take some time to explore and familiarize yourself with Clickup's features. You can now leverage Clickup's advanced features, such as custom fields, different views, and powerful automations to optimize your workflow and boost your productivity. Welcome to the future of project management.